Your Roku is connected to Wi-Fi, but it still refuses to work. Apps keep failing, videos won't start, and you're stuck staring at error messages instead of your favorite shows. It feels like a broken device, but in reality, it's usually just a small network issue. The best part is you can fix it yourself without any tools or repairs. In this video, I'll guide you through quick and simple fixes to solve the problem and get your Roku working again fast. Let's start with a full restart, because this clears temporary network glitches. Turn off your device and unplug it from power. Then unplug your router or modem as well. Wait for about 1 to 3 minutes before plugging the router back in. Let it fully start up and connect to the internet. After that, plug your device back in and turn it on. This simple step often fixes many connection issues. If that didn't fix it, check your Wi-Fi password. Go to Settings, then Network, and choose Setup Connection, followed by Wireless. Select your network again and carefully re-enter the password. Make sure everything is correct, including capitalization and spacing, because even a small mistake can stop the connection. Next, let's check your signal strength. Go to Settings, then Network, and select About. Look at the signal quality. If it shows poor or fair, that could be the cause. Try moving your device closer to the router and remove any obstacles like thick walls or metal objects that can block the signal. If the issue continues, reset the network settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and select Network Connection Reset. Confirm the reset and let the device restart. After that, reconnect to your network again. Now let's try switching Wi-Fi bands. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, connect to the 2.4 GHz band instead. Even if 5 GHz appears stronger, it can be less stable over distance, so switching bands can improve reliability. Another step you can try is disabling network pings using a hidden menu. This reduces background network checks that can sometimes cause disconnects. On your remote, press the home button 5 times, then press fast forward, play or pause, rewind, play or pause, and fast forward again. This will open the secret menu. Go to System Operations, then Network menu, and select Disable Network Pings. Exit and restart your device. Next, check your time and bandwidth settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select Time. Make sure the correct time zone is selected. If it's set to automatic, try setting it manually. Then go to Settings, Network, and select Bandwidth Saver. If it's turned on, turn it off, since it can sometimes interrupt the connection. Now here's an important test. Try connecting your device to a mobile hotspot. If it connects successfully, then the problem is coming from your router. If it still doesn't connect, the issue may be related to the device itself. After that, check your router settings. Restart the router again if needed. Make sure MAC filtering or VPN settings are not blocking the connection. If possible, give your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks separate names so your device connects to the correct one more easily. If none of these steps work, the final option is a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and choose Factory Reset. Keep in mind this will remove all apps and settings, so use it only as a last step. That's it for fixing Wi-Fi connection issues on your Roku. By following these steps, you've covered the most common causes and know exactly where the problem is coming from. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and reliable tech fixes. And if one of these steps worked for you or you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.